So I posted the preview of a new finger roll foundation earlier, and now I'll go a little deeper into explaining what's going on. So for a recap first on the existing old school finger rolls, the digits version, I know Glovers will call what old school digits and liquid practitioners would refer to as finger waves. They'll call those finger rolls. What I'm talking about is this sort of motion. And traditionally there were four. So the first one, we're scooping under with each finger, going pinky to pointer. That's one variation. You can also go pointer to pinky, scooping under. Then there's scooping over, or clawing over, pointer to pinky. That's the third one. Then pinky to pointer. And usually two of those will be easier than the other two on each hand, but once you drill them all, you have all four to choose from. They're almost all, if we're just focused on these two fingers, in the same sort of timing and direction configuration, which is split time. They'll be always opposite points on the clock, 12 and 6, and they go the same direction around the clock. So if we just look at these two fingers, we're looking at either that or that. And all four of those are in that timing and direction configuration. So that leaves some other ones not explored, like the one I showed. So starting split time, 12 and 6. This one's going to go that direction around the circle, and this one will go this direction. And they meet at 9, and they cross, go back to 12 and 6, and then meet up again at 3. And when put together, you get this sort of motion. If you kind of stick it in place, it looks kind of small. So what I've been doing is sort of adding a side-to-side translation during it. It kind of makes the shape bigger. Kind of looks better. I've also been fixing it to space in a few different ways. One would be on this line. So starting here, we kind of push away from this wall, and then kind of come back into it, and back, so that sort of fixes it on a straight line. Another thing you can do is fix it on a point, and pinches and drops. It's the same motion, but you're just fixing to a fingertip. There are also these sorts of things, and you can go off one side and the other and get them synchronized. And I haven't really walked them around yet, but that's the next step, obviously. Then trying to link them up in different configurations, which I haven't drilled yet. I've spent the last 2 weeks just doing those, and it starts to burn. But if anyone wants to start playing with these, that's where to go with them.